Welcome to the module of React Basics. Now it's time to look at what React is and why we might want to use it. As well as now that we built our first React app, let's dive deeper into all the core feature of React concept and the base syntax of React. In this section of Learn React.js, we will have a look at what it takes to build a real React app. And with that, of course, I also mean locally on our machine and not on Kotlin. And you will learn a lot which core features of React offers, why and how you use them. So let's go dive right into that and let's learn how we set up a local React project on our machine.